Let's start our day the happy way, with good habits every day. Wake up early, stretch up high, wave to the sun up in the sky. Make your bed so nice and neat, put your slippers on your feet. Brush your teeth and wash your face. Good habits make a happy place. Good habits, hooray, hooray. Let's be kind in every way. Helping hands and happy hearts, that's how every good day starts. Wash your hands before you eat. Chew your food, that's nice and neat. Say please and thank you too. Good manners make the world love you. When you see a friend in need, show them love with every deed. Share your toys and smile so wide. Kindness shines from deep inside. Good habits, hooray, hooray. Let's be kind in every way. Helping hands and happy hearts, that's how every good day starts. Good habits, hooray, hooray. We learn, we grow, we laugh, we play. Our little stars, we shine each day, with good habits all the way. So brush, wash, share and play. Good habits make a brighter day.